Hello children, here is Jayant sir. Today again I am going to teach you the mathematics of standard 8 and the chapter name is cube and cube roots. We will start from the exercise 4b onwards. Let's start children. Cube root. The cube root of a number n is that number which when multiplied by itself 3 times gives n as the product. Come to the example. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Imply that you can write also cube root of 8 equal to 2, and cube root can be written as like this way, cube root of 8 equal to 2. Another example, 7 to the power of 3 equal to 343. Then cube root of 343 is 7 and can be written as that cube root of 343 equal to 7. Again, example, find the cube root of 1728 by prime factorization method. Look at here, 1728. It is unit plus 8 is there, so it is divisible by 2. 2 8 just 16, 2 6 just 12, 2 4 just 8, then 2 4 just 8, 2 3 just 6, 2 2 just 4, then 2 2 just 4, 2 1 just 2, 1 2 12, 2 6 just 12. Again units plus 6 is there, so 2 1 just 2, directly 16 cannot be divided, so 2 0 just 0, then 2 8 just 16. Then again unit plus 8 is there, so 2 5 just 10, then 2 4 just 8. Then 4 is there unit place, so 2 2 just 4, 2 7 just 14. Now by 2 not possible, so 3 you take, 3 9 just 27, then 3 3 just 9, then 3 1 just 3. So expressing into prime factors, we get 1728 cube root of 1728 equal to cube root of, how many 2's are there, you count, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 2's are there, into 3 into 3 into 3. Now make it the triplet. This is one and this is another triplet and this is another triplet. From this triplet we can take that 2, and from this triplet again we can take that another 2, and from this triplet we can take that another 3. So now multiply that, 2 into 2 equal to 4 3 is 12. So therefore cube root of 1728 equal to 12. It means that 12 into 12 into 12 equal to 1728. Next example. So look at here that cube root of 125 divided by 16. This whole cube root is given, means we can write also cube root of only cube root of 125 divided by cube root of 216, because it had given that cube root of whole. So now cube root of 125 can be written as that by prime factorize, 5 into 5 into 5 its cube root, and 216 also can be written as that 6 into 6 into 6 its cube root. So out of this 3 triplet, out of this triplet, then we can write that 5, then this triplet we can write that 6. So answer is that 5 by 6. Now example 5, find the cube root of 64 divided by minus 125. So can we written that whole cube root is given, means we can write also cube root of 64 divided by cube root of minus 125. So it is written, look at here that 64 can be divided, can be factorized into that 4 into 4, 16, 16 4 the 64. Its cube root, whole cube root given means its cube root and its cube root. Minus 125 cube root means minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. From this triplet we can take that 1 4, and this from minus 5, this triplet we can write that 1, that is minus 5. So make it into the standard form, so it will be minus 4 by 5. Now come to that example 6. Square cube root of 0.008 equal to cube root of, this is converting into that fraction 8 by 1000. 8 can be written as that 2 into 2 into 2, and 1000 can be written as that 10 into 10 into 10. So therefore from this triplet we can write that now 2, and from this triplet we can write now that 10. So 2 by 10 can be written as that 0.2. So now come to that exercise 4b, children. Question number 1, beta I cube root of 64 can be written as that. Here prime factorize, it is done here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So out of this is one triplet, then other one is this one is triplet. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. From these two we are taking that, from this triplet 1 2, from this triplet another 2 we are taking. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. Then question number 2, bit 6, you see that cube root of 729 into 8000. 729, how it is factorized? Look at here. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, again 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 3 7 is 21, then 3 9 is 27, then 3 3 is 9, then 3 1 is 3. So now value came that 729 equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all the 6 3s are written now. Into 8000, 8000 can be written as that 2 to the 4 to the 8. How many zeros? 3 zeros are there, so 3 zeros are there. Now this one into this one, 3 into 3 into this triplet we can write 20 only. So 3 3 is 9, 2 is 120, 180. This answer. 3 3 is 9 into 20, 180. Now come to that question number 3, bit 6, cube root of minus 512 divided by 343. So we can whole it is cube root is written means minus cube root of 512 divided by cube root of 343. So 512, it is factorized here. Now look at here, can be written as that 2 to the 4 means 8 into 8, like that way can be done also. So now minus 512 can be expressed minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8, and 343 can be expressed at that. Here it is done that 7 4 is 28, then 6 3 7 9 is 63, 7 7 is 49. So we can write down that here is 7 into 7 into 7. From this triplet we can write that minus 8 by 7. Now come to that question number 7, beta I. 700 can be written as that 7 into 100. Then 2 49 can be written 7 into 7 into 5. So this 100 now again it is factorized. 2 into 2, 4 5 is 25 is 4 25 is 100. So now 7 into this one up to 100, then into 2 into 7 into 7 into 5 equal to, how many 7 are there? 1 2 3 7 are there. So 1 7, 1 2 3 2 are there, 1 2, then 1 2 3 5 3 are, then this is another triplet. So into 5. So 7 2 is 14, 5 is 70. Next come to that 7, question number 7, bit 6. That decimal value it is taken 250.047 can be written as that cube root of 2,50,047 divided by 1,000. 3 zeros are here, so 1 3 zeros are. Whole cube root means its cube root also, then down that 1,000 cube root also. 250047, it is factorized here now. So it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 divided by 1000 can be written as that 10 into 10 into 10. Now bring that only one number from each triplet. This is this triplet 3, from this triplet 3, from this triplet 7 divided by, this is one triplet divided by 10. So now 3 3 is 9, 7 is 63 by 10 equal to, can be written as that 6.3. Now question number 6 once again come here, that expressing into prime factors we get 30,375 equal to, I have done here, look at here, so can be written as that 3 into 3 into 3 one triplet, then 5 into 5 into 5 another triplet, then 3 into 3. So this one, what it is, one, or to make it this triplet, one more 3 is needed. So therefore 30,375 must be multiplied with 3. So one more 3 is there, then it will be triplet. So children, for you that homework exercise 4B. Thank you. See you again.